Kia ora and welcome to my orientation video on how to navigate my portfolio for my practicum assignment 2. So on the first page here you will have the navigation video, then secondly you'll have my midway reflection, and finally on the first page you will have my video philosophy. If you go to the second page, you will have a embedded Google document here, which will take you through the standard. It just goes down in chronological order. You can click on the links, which will take you through to a Google document or a link to another artifact. If you continue down the page, anything from the standards that says see downloads below, any of the artifacts that say see downloads below will be below that area. So for example 1.3 Tirel FVA, click on here and to see that artifact. Then at the bottom of the page you'll have my final reflection. My reflection on the standard. So that continues for each one. Just a note, if you're looking for the references for my standard reflection, they are at the bottom of the embedded Google document. So for each video reflection, for each standard reflection, the references are at the bottom of the embedded document. So again, go down, you've got the downloadable aspects, or either it might be audio, and then you've got the video reflection. So that continues for standard toru. Fa. Oops, Rima. Have to change that. And have to change that too to Ono. And then once you're through the main standards, you have the last page, which is a pre and post assessment Mawhai. And then you've also got the self-assessment video, which talks about which has the aspects in it such as learning from, with and about, and then you've also got future PD plans here. So I hope that's simple enough for you to navigate and that you don't get lost. I hope you enjoy marking my portfolio.